we installed a keypad door entry. Captain's chair with the self-leveling system there. Remote for the stereo for the person riding shotgun. I'm short, so I have a little poof there. Storage up top. That is the double bed that comes down. The dinette with storage underneath with pullouts underneath. Sofa that has recliners. Upper storage. Large fridge. Flip up countertop for extra countertop while you're cooking. There is storage behind the TV on a lever that pulls out. Hard to do with one hand. Lots of storage behind there. Microwave. Propane stove. Bunk area, there is a mattress for the top, but since we don't use it, that's where we store totes, laundry baskets, all our extra water, things like that. The lower bed pulls out flat for not a double, not quite a double, but it is wider than a single. Kids can watch TV over here. King size bed, storage beside, above. TV. This TV flips up, there's extra storage behind there. Privacy door to pull out. Shower. Toilet and cabinetry.